How to download Uber app on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download your Uber application on Android. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store, and once you're inside your Play Store, just click on search, and once you are here, just type in for Uber, and once you're searching for Uber, it will appear at first. Just click on it, and from over here you can verify it is the right Uber application by seeing as it has more than 500 million plus downloads. So simply click on install from over here and just wait for some time for it to be installed on your device. And once it gets downloaded, simply click on open, and as you can see, it has been successfully installed on my Android device. So that is it for today guys. That is exactly how you can easily download Uber application on Android. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.